We're gonna do another vlog. We're heading on a sick camping trip. We're stoked. We're gonna meet some buddies of ours that we haven't seen in a while. Tommy, Mario. We have Eddie in the Tacoma over there from Kung Fu Tonic. Truck's looking good. We put the Ramble Rack by Rig Supply. So we brought the Super 73. It's all loaded. We're fueling up. We're heading up to the Sequoias undisclosed location. We have our boy Eddie over here. Say what up, Eddie.
What's happening?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Moo.
Chicharrones.
¿Cuánto?
100.
5 for that ass.
Oh, damn, dog. This is PG.
Oh, I'm sorry.
A little rough intro there. Hey, my name is Mario. We're here out with Tommy out in the great outdoors.
Alright, so we just met with the boys. We're stoked. We got the Tacoma, which is right behind the truck, AT4, and then we got Kung Fu in the back. So we linked up with them. They camped last night. So Tommy was just telling us about his leveling test. How does it go, Tom?
So it's quite scientific. Can't exactly explain it, but take your brake hand, place it there.
That's not level, huh?
What do you know? It ain't level. Who cares? It's not a problem.
Nico, did you like yours?
16 score and 7 years my blood's called home. All the crimson clay and the old roads that I roam. This place might be cursed after all, but it's my land. Snakes and waterfalls, and I know that when a distant shore's before me, oh how my poor heart aches for every hollow that I forsake. I've been trying to run since I could crawl. It's my land, snakes and waterfalls.
Fired in.
That slaps. Tommy cooked it on, what was that, Tommy? Like a open fire, technically, right?
Yeah.
Open fire. Use KFT seasoning. So freaking good. We have asparagus with bacon as well. Stoked. And we're gonna eat family style. There's the fire. We did one by the river. We put those shots in too.
Supervised.
So supervised by Mario. Good morning. So last night was epic. This was our sound bit last night. Pretty much some epic white noise. Tommy lives in this area, so he showed us this amazing location. And he cooked for us last night that open fire steak with a little bit of asparagus and a little bit of the bacon, the Kung Fu Tonic seasoning. Just perfect. So we're packing up the trucks right now. We're gonna head to a different location and just enjoy the day for this beautiful day. Nico was killing it last night. He did the fire. He threw out the line, didn't get any fish, a couple people caught trout, but it was just a good time. What do you think, Nico? Were you stoked on it, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, the truck's all packed up. This thing from Rig Supply, the Ultra Swing with the bike carrier, I mean, so good. You guys have probably seen us work with Rigged in the past, but this is the first time I've actually thrown a product on our head of theirs. Amazing. What'd you catch?
Oh, just this tangled up line.
Little rat's nest or what?
Yeah.
What do you think, Nico?
Same over here.
Yeah. You too, dude?
Yeah.
Jeez.
You're weary, still in my heart for a reason. Tell me I'm wide awake, hold you in deep. When your arms can't seem to change anymore, and the only one that keeps me afloat.
Good morning. Yep.
Although I've been holding my hands up to heaven, so why don't you come back to me? Come back to me, my beloved. Oh, I just want you to know I want. So why don't you come back to me? Come back to me, my beloved. Oh, I just want you to know I want. And I'm not sure you're here anymore. Your touch is just not what it was. Am I conceited watching?
Best part of waking up.
Is that Folgers in your cup?
The Folgers in your cup.
In this burn away. Maybe I'm lying.
To show you guys, we have these coming out. It's our classic holder and tray, the Rig Caddies, but we're gonna release them in this raw aluminum finish, which so far, a lot of solid feedback. They're fully aluminum, made in the USA, all stainless steel components, so it won't rust. So it looks pretty industrial, and these will be on the website here very soon. Let's get some coffee. I need some coffee. Let's go. Well, that's a wrap. That was a great trip. We camped people that we've never camped with before. We've been following each other for quite some time. Long-time supporter of Easy, and I've loved their content as well. Great food, great company. We just exited the hot springs, soaked our bodies for a little bit. Such a good way to end the trip. Thank you for always tuning in, watching. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel. We'll keep these videos going, bringing you along on these trips / photo shoots that we do for Easy Supplies. Yeah, thank you for always supporting. If you haven't checked out our website, do so. And we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.